There goes the most beautiful woman in the world to go take her shower. So here's what our setup looks like when we're set up for about 4 days at a campground. There's some extra stuff in there. I think there's a rush hour game or something like that. We did some shopping yesterday, it was a rain day. But this is kind of what the camper looks like when we're camping for 3 nights, 4 days. This is what it looks like when we're living out of this thing for the weekend. There's the baskets I was talking about that we use instead of bags. They pull out real nice and easy. Everything fits in there. Our shoes, extra shoes all tuck underneath there, really nice, which is great. It's kind of how we live. Our drinking water, we never drink the water from a campsite. You never know what it's going to be like. We got water and electric hookups here, so that works out really good. Water heater's going. But yeah, this is about the space that we take up when we're camping. We're on 4 days here up in Duluth. Sitting on our bed right now. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how much space you actually have inside a Scamp when you're camping. We have we've got more than 4 days worth of food, I'm sure, but it's about how long we're up here. Well, Sarah, how deep did you go in?
About an inch.
Up to the calves, all right.
Look, I just got her wet. Can you see the lines on my leg?
Can I see the lines on your legs? I don't know.